Good morning again, CE1. I hope you're all doing well today. Okay, now in this video, we're going to again work in our Nelson Spelling Yellow Skills book. Nelson Spelling. We're going to work on chapter 22, which are pages 46 and 47. And it's our last chapter in this book. Almost finished. And this one is a review of 3 written sounds that can be pronounced in 2 ways. These are tricky. That's why it's a special unit dedicated to these 3 combinations, vowel combinations, that can be read in 2 sounds, 2 different sounds. Okay? Now, OW can have the sound ow, as in cow, or flower, shower, ow. OW can also have the long O sound, as in snow, or blow, blow out the candles on your birthday cake. Grow, all the plants are growing now. Grow. The sound O can have is difficult, so you have to really pay attention. It can have the sound as in book, and it has the sound O as in an oo as in noon. So and oo, book, noon. So noon is exactly 12 o'clock lunchtime, not midnight, midday. So noon. So the O sound can have and oo. So you have, book, look, or food, spoon. Okay? This one is a difficult one. Okay, when you're trying to learn new words, okay? But it has 2 different sounds. 2. Okay? Just like OW. Ow, O, oo. Okay, now the last one, which we have looked at just a little bit ago, EA. Usually the polite vowel combinations of EA is the sound E, the long sound E. But in some words, it's the short vowel E sound, E. Okay? If it's the long normal sound, it's E as in bean. If it's in its short E sound, it's an E as in weather. Weather. We looked at that a little earlier in a previous lesson. Okay? If it's the sound E, it's as in leaf or stream. If it's in its short vowel E, it's E as in head, bread. Okay, so Unit 22 is a review of these 3 sounds, because these 3 sounds can be read 2 ways, which is not that easy, but it's interesting. I'm going to read to you the key words, which are on page 46. I'll read to you 2 times. The first time, just listen and read along so you can see which word goes with which sound in the pairing. And then the second time, please repeat. Okay? First time. Flower, shower, blow, grow, leaf, stream, head, bread, book, look, food, spoon. Okay, so you need to memorize these words in their correct sound. Okay, difficult, but you can do it. This time, please repeat. Okay, flower, shower. Blow. Grow. Leaf. Stream. Head. Bread. Book. Look. Food. Spoon. Okay, practice these, okay? When you do the focus, part A, it wants you to look at this and try to figure out which words are which sound. Are they going to be the O or the O or the ow? Are they going to be the or the oo? Or are they going to be the E or the E? Then it wants you to copy these words and tick the words, put a tick to the words that you find in the image. Okay? Now, with extra, it's going to have you work on the famous EA combination, which either works with the long E sound or the short E sound. And you need to make 2 lists and put the words in the correct list. Okay? In extension, you have to read this little definition, and it gives you a word that the word they're looking for rhymes with. So, I am the opposite of alive that rhymes with head. What is this? Opposite of alive, and it rhymes with head. Okay? So you need to read them and write the correct word that goes with it. Okay? Okay. And then we're almost done with our book. We have just the checkup. But I'll be sending that. Okay? Okay. Good luck with this. Do remember, this is difficult. That's why it's a special unit dedicated to these 3 letter combinations, vowel combinations that have 2 different ways of being pronounced. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye.